Some of the techniques of playing a table tennis is one of the technical property line identify through level, ability, and development skill-based development. And in table tennis, this is the one how to play a table tennis. We have the serving. First thing you can do is to hold the ball and then hit. And the second one is the backhand loop. And the third one is the forehand loop. And the third one is the perfect timing. You must wait the ball to bounce. And the third one is the receiving. And the fourth one is how to return the side pin. And finally the last one, the receiving.
And also my partner, Mabel Ulo.